Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. Today's topic, Excellence in Quality Engineering and Management for Hotels. In this introductory video, we'll give you a clear and engaging preview of the full course. We will explore how quality engineering supports every part of a hotel's lifecycle, from construction to daily operations. You'll see how good quality systems quietly ensure guest comfort, safety, and a seamless experience. This course is designed to help hotel engineers, project managers, and operations teams deliver consistent, measurable excellence at every step. Quality in hospitality isn't optional, it's a promise to every guest who walks through your doors. Strong quality engineering ensures the building is safe and the systems run smoothly, so guests only notice comfort, not the mechanics behind it. Throughout this course, we'll link technical quality controls to guest satisfaction, showing practical examples of how small checks lead to big improvements. The project phase is where quality is created, through design decisions, material choices, workmanship, and site practices. You'll learn construction quality control methods tailored for hotels, systematic material inspections focused on durability and aesthetics, and safety compliance approaches that protect workers and future guests. We'll also show how project scheduling can be managed to preserve quality while meeting deadlines, so the hotel opens on time without costly rework. After opening, maintaining that hard-won quality is essential. This part of the course focuses on day-to-day systems, implementing measurable service quality standards, creating preventive maintenance plans, and using guest feedback to drive continuous improvement. You'll learn practical routines that keep facilities reliable and services consistently excellent, reducing downtime and guest complaints. Theory becomes powerful only when applied. That's why we include live mentor sessions and practical exercises. Expect interactive workshops, virtual site inspections, and customizable checklists you can adapt for your property. We'll analyze real hotel case studies, what worked, what failed, and why, so you can apply those lessons immediately in your role. This course is ideal for hotel engineers, project managers, quality inspectors, and operations leaders. Whether you are managing construction, overseeing maintenance, or ensuring brand standards across multiple properties, you'll gain actionable skills that translate directly to better outcomes. By completing this course, you will be able to design and implement quality systems tailored to hospitality, identify issues before they impact guests, and improve operational efficiency. These skills reduce errors, save costs, and elevate guest experiences, making you an indispensable part of any hotel team. Then why wait? Join us in mastering quality hospitality engineering. Take the next step toward excellence. Thank you for watching. To access the full course, live sessions, and certification opportunities, register on our LMS portal. https://hegsdc.com. Your journey to becoming a leader in hospitality quality starts now. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to Hospitality Engineering for more updates.